Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a little bit of a different video. Let's be honest, we have 3 kids. You want to go potty? Okay, so let's go potty. See you there. Anyways, sorry about that. So, let's be honest, we have 3 kids, right? The weekend kind of usually gets away from us, and then I'm stuck on Mondays cleaning up the whole house. So I figured I love to watch clean with me videos where they like speed clean and you get to watch them like put their whole house back together, and that's what I'm kind of doing right now. And I already started, you can see I started tackling some dishes. And what I like to do when I start tackling dishes is, if you see over here on my stove, is the rest of my dirty dishes. I like to make it easier to digest mentally. So I start by cleaning off this counter. I take everything on this counter, and if it doesn't fit in the sink, it goes over there. That way, when I'm looking this way, all I can see is clean over there and the little bit of dishes that I have to tackle. Once those dishes are tackled, I dry them, I put them away, and then, hold on honey, I'm explaining something, and then I move on to the rest. But you're gonna see me do all of that right now. This is the soap that we like to use. This is not sponsored at all by Miss Myers. We just love this stuff. We found it recently, and we really love the honeysuckle scent. Yeah. This is our chicken coop. Look at them all huddled right here. You have that whole area and you're choosing to be huddled right here. Hey Daisy. That's my royal palm, Daisy. She's right there. Oh, easy. Look out, Miss Broodies. Nope, these are fake eggs.
That was Blackie.
Yep. It's Blackie. Let me go look in here. Yep. We got one egg. That's Orangey right there. Whitey, MJ. Hey, pretty girl. Hi, MJ. Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Daisy's my beautiful turkey. Hi, Daisy. Yes, you mouthy button. Hi, Daisy. That's Tail Feather behind you. Yeah, hi, Tail Feather. You're the one that laid me this beautiful green egg. Miles. Hey, Miles. Look at you up there. And then Cutie Susie's the other turkey. She's right there. Button, you're so loud. Here. You want to check on the babies? Baby chickens. Hey, guys. Those are the baby chickens. They can't go in the big coop yet because they're not big enough. Got some lettuce growing over there. Maybe it's kale. I'm not really sure. My favorite coffee. It's the best.
First one, like this, right?
Yeah. Ooh. That's cool. Very cool.
Did you video me?
I did.
Go on where?
Oh my god. Who's on my face right there? Alright, well, we gotta start somewhere, right? Pretty much cleaned up this whole drawer now. My Harry Potter book on my bed. I really need to get back into reading that. Does anybody know how to fix a pan of makeup like this? Because if not, I'm just gonna probably put it in an empties. Wanted to clean and thought I'd take you along with me. Look at that like makeup line for my glasses. That's not cute. Whatever. Hashtag real life. I just have a Gatorade. Hubby brought it home for me. I like the just original orange Gatorade. Easy. So yeah, I hope you like this little video, and if you do, I hope you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get notifications. Like you have to like hit it 3 times or something. I don't know, but do those things. Unless you don't want to hang out, and then don't do those things, and I might be a little bit sad because I like hanging out. It's quite fun. Bye.